morning. Welcome to Messy Monday. And it is about 9:43 here in Tennessee and I'm still having coffee. I've been busy this morning. I took all my fall decor down and I have enough fall decor that fits into a plastic tote. That's not a lot, but I thought this morning we would get out the Christmas tree. Yes, the Christmas tree. Have you put up your Christmas tree yet? Well, I have not. I wait until after Thanksgiving. And I have an entire closet devoted to Christmas. I call it my Christmas closet. And that's where we're gonna go. So if you wanna follow me, grab you a cup of coffee and we'll get busy.
Okay, this is my Christmas closet. And no judgment, it's not the cleanest Christmas closet, but it is what it is. So I like to keep this organizing container here in my closet. It's easy to get to, and I keep Christmas cards in the top drawer that I got the year prior, so I know who to send them to this year. The second drawer, I keep things like scissors, tape, things that I would wrap packages with. And then I've got some tissue paper, some small bags, and more things to decorate the packages with, so that when I'm decorating my packages, this is just easy to get to. And then my Christmas tree's in the closet, and all of that is Christmas decor. And on the top of the closet, I like to keep throughout the year shoe boxes or boxes that make it a lot easier to wrap presents in. And also throughout the year, sometimes I will buy presents to keep up there. After Christmas, I go Christmas shopping. I always make a list of my inventory so that I know what I'll need the next following year. Last year, I got this ribbon on sale. I got a tree skirt on sale. And you just give like pennies for these things. And I got some tissue paper. And then over in the back corner of the closet, I do keep wrapping paper. And I did catch some wrapping paper on sale last year as well. So that's my Christmas closet, and I do need to clean it out, and I will get to that. If you are looking to purchase a new Christmas tree, I highly recommend this Christmas tree. I think they call it a pencil Christmas tree, but it comes in 3 layers. They're all numbered. You just put the 3 layers together, pull out the branches and fluff them up, plug up the lights, and voila. It's pre-lit, it's wonderful, and so easy. And then once I got it up, I decorated it. And that took quite a while to decorate it, so I didn't do a video on that, but this is the result. All of these ornaments I have been collecting ever since I started housekeeping. And I just want to share just a couple of my favorite ornaments. This is my grandmother, and these are my parents. These are 2 of my favorite Christmas ornaments. And our Christmas tree is not complete without the Grinch.